In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wise Business tutorial how to set up a Wise Business account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what each screen means so you can get your business set up smoothly. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile device. If you're not already on the main screen, tap Home so you're looking at the app's dashboard. From here, look to the top left and tap the profile icon. This usually looks like a small circle with your initials or a person's silhouette. Inside this menu, choose Open an Account. When the app asks what type of account you want, select Business Account to make sure you get access to business features like multiple currency balances and business-friendly transfers. Next, you'll be prompted to select your location. Choose the country where your business is legally registered and primarily operates. If your business works across borders, pick the country of registration rather than where you happen to be traveling. Once you've made your selection, tap Continue. You'll now see a question about your role in the business or organization. Choose the option that accurately describes your position, such as owner, director, or someone authorized to manage finances. This helps Wise understand who's setting up the account and ensures the right permissions are in place. After that, you'll select the company type. Pick the structure that matches your legal setup, like sole trader, limited company, partnership, or nonprofit. If you're unsure, check your registration documents or your business certificate to confirm the correct category. Now enter your official business name exactly as it appears on your registration. Accuracy here matters because it must match your legal records. You'll also see a field for a trading business name. This is optional and is only for a name your business uses publicly that's different from the legal name. If you have one, add it. If not, you can leave it blank. Then tap Continue. You'll be asked to confirm your registered address. This should be the official address tied to your business registration. Make sure the spelling, unit numbers, and postal codes are correct. If you have a separate mailing or operational address, keep in mind that the registered address is the priority for setup. Once you've confirmed it's accurate, tap Continue. That's it for the initial setup. Keep your business documents handy in case Wise asks for verification later, and double check that all the details you entered match your official records. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to start using Wise for your business.